that even for you? Or are you just stealing mail?
Frankie, what have you done?
What's that? What's that? Sit. What's this?
क्यों? हाँ?
Nala. What's that? Who's done that? Who's done that?
What's this? Makala, what's this? Hey, look at me. What have you done? This is my new shoes. I just got them yesterday. Hey, what have you done? How am I going to wear that?
Using him. What have you done? What's all this that you've chewed? Naughty. Did you chew that cord? Huh? Answer me.
Psst. Anian. Psst. Dili. Dili.
Μάρξη, τι έκανες με το κερί? Πού είσαι, Μάρξη, τι έκανες εδώ? Ποιος έφαγε το κερί? Ποιος έφαγε το κερί?
This is my bed. Go to your bed. Come on. What you? I mean, it's working.
Are you proud of yourself, Cubby?
Jesus.
Dude. Bad dog, Cubby.
Tabihan gidean? Hah? Vad tabihan gidean? Kaya. Kagis? Kaya gidean? Hah? İşte. What is this?
Are you crazy? You think you can just take my sandal like that? Oh, you're dead. You're dead. You're crazy. Are kidding? Oh, you're dead.
Open your eyes, Lily. Get off the couch. Open your eyes, Lily. I see you. Open them, Lily. Get down. Lily, get down.
Bad boy. You chewed up that shoe. Yes, you chewed up that shoe and you're a bad boy. That's what I was waiting for. Bad. Bad boy. You're a bad boy. Look at the camera. Guilty. Bad. Oh my goodness.
Ollie, did you kill the bird? Huh? You don't care. Hmm? Did you do that? Eh? Huh? You?
Hey, Poodles. There were 4 lobster tails thawing in the sink. Now there's 1 left. You look really guilty. You look really guilty. 4 lobster tails. No? Maybe this one's mine.
Let's see. Who is the guilty dog? Who is the guilty dog? Was it you? Was it you? Was it you, Fuegos? I think it was you. Did you do this? Did you do... Lilos, was it you? Was it you? Yeah? Was it you? Or was it you? It was you.
Excuse me. What happened? What's that? What happened there? Oh my goodness. Oliver, did you do it? Oh, we know. We know who did. Oh, we know who did it. What do you do?
Buddy, did you get into my dirty clothes? Are you stuck in my hamper? Hey, you.